Sa Adjuman kami. Ito yung front view ng hotel. Kami kanina sa beach. Kaharap yan, beach yan. Yes. Ayan, ang ganda. Dito yung room namin. Ayan si Gabi. Ari.
Halo.
Ayan.
Gabi kumakain ng saging.
Drinking milk. Chico is drinking milk. Well, Daddy is
Hello.
drinking beer. Hello, Gabi. What's that? Baby. Snack naman. Uy. Mag-hi ka na. Hi.
Hey.
What are you doing? Gabi, what are you doing? Eating? Eating?
Maliwanag ba?
Eating, Gabi? Naku, walang sagot. Medyo madilim lang. Hindi gumana to. Bye. Bye-bye, nanak.